Hey guys, how's it going? This is Billy T again, back with another Fortuna asset demo video. Today we're going to be going over the Fortuna compass and minimap system. So I'm just going to give a quick overview of what it does and walk through how all of it works. And so here is the first little part right here. So you can see in the top right corner we have the minimap, and in the top we have the compass with the different waypoints. So as you can see, there is a waypoint over there, but I cannot see it because I'm out of range. And when I get closer, it'll pop into range. And then it'll go away. Same with this one. And then it's also configured so that when I get too close, it pops out as well. And you can see on the minimap, the waypoints are there and they rotate with the camera, and they also scale up and down. That's fully customizable. The distance at which they disappear and reappear is also customizable. Yeah. And so that's pretty much it. That's how it works. It's pretty easy to add your own waypoints. Also, the ability to add this system in with a world map system as well is pretty easy. I've done it before. You just whenever you click on the certain area of the map, you can say add a waypoint, and it'll spawn one of these actors here. So I'm going to show how the system is kind of configured right now, so you can when you do purchase it, if you do, you can kind of get a hold of how to set it all up. So first things first, everything is handled within the widgets. So all you have to do is say that this is your HUD. So this is just the given HUD when you get the product and get the asset. So this is an example of what you would do in your own HUD. All you have to do is add these two widgets, or even just one of them. You don't have to have the minimap, you don't have to have the compass, you can choose. Anyway, you just add these two widgets and then you can customize them. So in the compass, you have these three different options here, so you can change the style, and they do update in real time. So you'll see there, updated. And then you have the marker style, which is this middle piece, and then the background, which is these lines here. And then there's many other styles that they come with. So there's one background style, there's another one. It comes with a few marker styles, as you can see there. And then with the minimap, there's only one really important option here, which is the border background style, which will be an option over here. So if we compile and save that, you can see that the new minimap now has, or the new compass has that new line there. So now when we get to adding waypoints, all you have to do is go to blueprints, waypoints, and then drag in one of these guys right here. And then what you need to do is you can customize here. So I can give it an icon, which I will give, let's just give it this green guy. Actually, there are some included icons with the system. So let's give it this exclamation point, and let's make it orange. And then we will have it where it does show in the world space. It does show in the minimap. And let's have it where it scales and it rotates. Yeah, we'll have all of these settings as default. So these are the default settings. These are all the different settings you can mess with. And then just to make it so now everything's all cluttered, let's just put it over there. So now you can see it's over here. And then when I get close enough, it'll pop up. And there you go. That's pretty much it. It's very simple to set up. The documentation goes into further detail about how to actually integrate it in with a different project. But it's pretty simple, assuming that you're doing this with a new project. But if it is an existing project, it is a very simple process as well. You just have to replace a few variables. It's not that hard. The documentation goes into that very well, and there will also be a tutorial video on that coming out very soon. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Hope you enjoy the product. The marketplace link is in the description, and so is our Discord if you need some support.